The top wake-up lights for 2024, sun-kissed mornings. Greetings! Today we're dissecting the leading 6 business products to simplify your choice. If you appreciate our insights, a subscription to the channel would be fantastic. Explore the description below for more details and the latest pricing. Amazon Echo Dot 5th Generation. Envelop your living space in music by employing Echo devices that seamlessly synchronize across various rooms. Transform your residence into a cinematic haven with a Fire TV home theater system, and eliminate the woes of signal drop-offs and buffering by extending your Wi-Fi coverage through a compatible Eero network. Stream your preferred tunes from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and more, or utilize Bluetooth connectivity for a harmonious ambiance throughout your entire home. With multiple layers of privacy controls, including a microphone off button, you have control over your data. Simply ask Alexa for the latest news, weather updates, timers, smart home adjustments, and more, enhancing the efficiency of your daily routine. Experience an audio upgrade surpassing any previous Echo Dot with Alexa, offering clearer vocals, richer bass, and vibrant sound in every corner of your abode. Stay organized with an enhanced LED display that provides quick glances at the time, weather, alarms, and song titles, ensuring you remain on track throughout your day. Hatch Restore 2. The Hatch Restore is one of the most popular wake-up lights on the market today. With the Restore 2, Hatch builds on the flagship design with more enhanced colorization for the sunset and sunrise programs. Additionally, audio options, crisper sound, and a subscription option for accessing additional content. Despite these changes, the Restore 2 retains the user-friendly design and everyday practicality that earned its predecessor such a dedicated following. The wake-up light gradually brightens to mimic the natural sunrise, using a wide array of colors to achieve the intended effect. This helps you start the day feeling refreshed and should be less jarring than using a traditional alarm clock. Likewise, the sunset program dims to darker shades to calm you as you fall asleep. For such an advanced device, the Restore 2 is remarkably simple to operate. 2 large buttons let you activate the sunrise and sunset programs, and a third button toggles the alarm on and off. Soft linen covers the display, and you can choose from 3 colors for the back panel. Standard ground shipping is free of charge, and your purchase comes with a 60-night trial. The Hatch Sleep membership also comes with a 7-night trial for monthly subscribers and a 1-month trial for annual subscribers. EDUP In. Transform your mornings with the EDUP In Sunrise Alarm Clock, a multifunctional wake-up light designed to revolutionize your daily routine. Immerse yourself in the gentle awakening of sunlight simulation, complemented by sleep-inducing natural white noise and a Bluetooth speaker for added tranquility. With app and voice control features, this smart alarm clock provides a seamless user experience, allowing you to customize settings with ease. Set up to 4 alarms, enjoy FM radio, and choose from 7 natural white noise options for a personalized wake-up experience. The Wi-Fi connectivity ensures easy updates and enhanced functionality. Embrace a more natural wake-up routine with the EDUP In Sunrise Alarm Clock. The inclusion of a USB charging port adds convenience to your bedside setup. Whether you prefer the warmth of sunrise simulation, the soothing tones of white noise, or the connectivity of Bluetooth, this alarm clock caters to your diverse needs, making mornings a delightful experience. Philips SmartSleep. Whether you're an early bird or not, having a set nighttime and morning routine can make it simple to get out of bed the next day instead of hitting the snooze button. The easy-to-use SmartSleep wake-up alarm clock has everything you need for personalized wake-up and wind-down routines, including simulated sunsets and sunrises to help you fall asleep and wake up more comfortably, 20 brightness settings, and 5 gentle wake-up sounds. This allows you to curate your nighttime and your morning routines to help ensure you get a restful night's sleep and wake up on the right side of your bed. The alarm clock also has an FM radio, letting you easily add some music to your morning, and a snooze button for days when you need an extra slow start. We also like that it doubles as a bedside lamp, eliminating the need for another item on your table, and that it has an automatic dimmable display. One other thing to consider is this sunrise alarm clock is rather bulky, which might not be a good option if you're lacking nightstand space. We also wish the button was easier to find, as it's located on the perimeter of the clock, which makes them difficult to locate when it's dark. Winshine. This sunrise alarm clock delivers on both aesthetics and functionality without breaking the bank, making it the best sunrise alarm clock on our video. It features all the essentials, including a gradual wake-up setting that turns on a soft light 10, 30, or 60 minutes before your desired wake-up time. You can also choose from 5 calming alarm sounds to further customize how you start your morning. One of our favorite things about this pick is how easy it is to use. The alarm button is clearly identifiable at the base's bottom, so it's easy to shut off or turn on in the dark. Dimness and color setting can be easily adjusted with a few taps on the top of the alarm. There's also a clock display so you instantly know what time it is when you wake up, and a sleep mode that allows you to set the nightlight for 10, 30, or 60 minutes. Just like the sunrise function, this setting will gradually reduce its brightness until the light is turned off, helping you to simply wind down slowly before falling asleep. The sunrise alarm clock comes with 6 color options to choose from, as well as 3 overall brightness settings. Keep in mind that this device is not wireless and can only be used when the power adapter is connected. This means you will need access to a wall power outlet in order to use it, which might limit where you can put it in your room. Reacher. The Reacher Sunrise Alarm Clock offers a curated selection of scientifically designed sounds, including white, brown, pink noise, rain, lullabies, ocean waves, and more. Its high-quality 5-watt stereo speaker effectively masks disruptive ambient noise, ensuring a peaceful and deep sleep for both you and your little one. The gradual increase of sunrise light before your set alarm time provides a natural and gentle awakening. Customize your waking experience with adjustable sunrise duration and a choice of 3 alarm sounds: forest birds, piano, or a traditional bell, or the option for a mute wake-up. Craft a serene and sleep-friendly environment with this versatile device. The soft light is ideal for reading, causing no eye strain for both kids and adults. The LED digital clock dimmer, ranging from 0 to 100%, allows you to tailor the brightness to your personal comfort without disturbing your sleep during the night. Convenient physical controls are intuitively placed for easy access, even in the middle of the night. Your preferred sound, clock, and light settings are saved with a backup battery. The included 59-inch power cord ensures flexibility in positioning the clock near your bed. The sleek design seamlessly integrates a sound machine, sunrise alarm clock, and nightlight into one cohesive unit. Experience easier sleep initiation, prolonged sleep duration, and wake up feeling refreshed every day. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.